Hi guys, kamusta na kayo? Namaste. So, ito na guys, kainan na. Eating time. So, I'm here in my Filipino friend here in Nepal. She invited me to attend her son's birthday. So, they also owner of this venue guys, Paul Venue. So, kapag gusto nyo mag-cater ng birthday ng mga loved ones nyo, kasal, wedding, at iba pa, so contact lang kayo sa kanila guys. So yan, daming mga food. Masarap yung mga food nila guys. Super. At saka ito si kuya. Asawa niya rin is kabayan natin. So napakagaling niya na magsalita ng Tagalog at napaka-jolly niya. Have a nice day everyone. Enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. Ingat kayo lagi.